single Viper's bugloss park in the middle of Marrs Ravine. Now, there's lots of Viper's bugloss on the Blackheath B roads. And if you're interested in the Blackheath B roads, you can find out how to build one in the link below or above. But this is a single one in the middle of technically nowhere. How did it get here? Did it come from somebody's shoe or somebody's boot? Or did a bird bring it over? Got here somehow. I do have a penchant for collecting seeds and spreading them around Blackheath, so maybe I am responsible. Is that a bit too vain? Probably. Echinus vulgare at sunrise in November. First filmed this Echinus vulgare back in June. It's a single Viper's bugloss in the middle of Marrs Ravine. One day I'm going to do a whole video about Marrs Ravine. But this Echinus vulgare fascinates me. And it's the 20th of November. I mean, it shouldn't be in flower now, surely.